today? You feel excited, scared, nervous, which?
Great. My name is Jess. I am 11.
Been paddling in
Yes.
Spain. What happened?
Because with Dad, we go and make go spin. We need on the beach. No, next time you need help me with Dad like this. I try to stand up the sticks, the whole thing, the sticks. Now pull and pull. That helps. I did it.
My name is Tahira Iqbal, and I have two kids, one daughter, one son. They both are deaf. My son have a severe hearing loss, and my daughter, she's moderate hearing loss. And we are with Chabon last 4 5 years. Yeah, and my kids really enjoy the sessions with come here with the Chabons, and yeah, they're so much fun over there. So definitely it's a good opportunity. They come here, they're more confident. Last 4 5 years, I see built confidence with my kids. Today I tell them we going in the morning to water rafting, and they were very happy. They say let's mom. Normally because it's a summer holidays, they want to spend time in home. But yesterday they say get ready. They say no, let's go mom, let's go mom.
You feel proud of Jess. Proud? We did it. You win. Yeah?
Planning school here.
You would like, yeah? You'd like to come to a school for paddling? Yeah.
Yeah,
Why?
because just here inside that we need go to lane fun there.
In the water.
Yeah, we swimming. Really cool.
Before, my son, he was very shy, he was frustrated because he can't talk, and sometimes he was unhappy, and he don't want to go outside, he just want to sit inside. But now if I say I am going to the Sunday Sign Club, he's get ready. Every time he was really happy to come and join the Shabon session, and this kind of activities is very good for the deaf child.